Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on GeForce Now mobile. First, download the GeForce Now application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new NVIDIA account or log in with an existing one. It is crucial to have a strong and stable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to ensure the best streaming quality and a smooth gaming experience on your mobile device. Next, you will need to link your existing game store accounts, such as Steam or Epic Games, to your GeForce Now profile. This allows the service to access your own games. After linking, use the search bar within the GeForce Now app to find Roblox. Once located, add Roblox to your personal game library. This step makes it much easier to find and launch the game quickly whenever you want to play. To enhance your gaming experience, navigate to the GeForce Now settings and adjust the streaming quality. You can choose between different resolutions and frame rates, like 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second, to match your internet speed. For optimal control, consider using a compatible Bluetooth game controller, as touch controls can be challenging for some games. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your mobile device to minimize latency and improve performance. Finally, you are ready to launch Roblox. From your GeForce Now game library, simply select Roblox. The game will then stream directly to your mobile device. You will be prompted to log in with your Roblox account credentials, just as you would on any other platform. Once logged in, you can explore countless games and experiences within Roblox, all powered by the cloud, offering a high-quality gaming experience on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.